Letter T. Today we are going to learn how to write the uppercase and the lowercase t. Remember, you can learn how to write these letters by using your pointer finger and writing the letters in the air. You are more than welcome to gently trace and use your finger on your Chromebook or iPad screen. Or if someone is available to help you at home, you can practice writing these letters on a piece of paper with a writing utensil of your choice. Let's begin. We are going to start by learning how to write the uppercase T. The uppercase T has two steps. Our first step in writing the uppercase T is to draw a straight line down. We start at the top of our writing space and go all the way down to the bottom. Once we've drawn our line straight down, we stop, lift, and come all the way back to the top. Step 2 is a straight line going to the right. And that is how we write an uppercase T. Great job. Now, let's practice one more time. Get your fingers ready. Our first step is a straight line down, stop, come back to the top, and we're going to do a straight line across going to the right. That is how you write an uppercase T. Fantastic. Now it's your turn to do it by yourself. Get your fingers ready. Remember, an uppercase T has two steps. Go ahead and write uppercase T. Okay, if your uppercase T looks like my uppercase T, then you did a fantastic job. Now, let's practice writing the lowercase t. This is a lowercase t. Lowercase t has two steps, just like the uppercase T. Our first step is to draw a line down. We stop, lift, come to the middle of where we drew our straight line down, and we're going to do another little line straight across, going to the right. And that is how you write a lowercase t. Okay, let's practice. Get your fingers ready. Step 1, we do a smaller line straight down. We stop, we come back up to the middle, and we do a straight line across. And that is how you write a lowercase t. You are doing great. Now it's your turn to try it all by yourself. Remember, get your finger ready. You may begin. Go ahead and write a lowercase t. If your lowercase t looks like my lowercase t, then you did it correctly. Great job. Okay, let's practice together one more time. We have our uppercase T on the left and our lowercase t on the right. Let's go ahead and practice writing our uppercase T. Fingers ready. Okay, step 1, straight line down, stop, come back to the top, and we do a straight line across. Fantastic. Now let's go over here to our lowercase t. Fingers up. Again, 2 steps. Ready? Step 1, straight line down, smaller line this time. Stop, come to the middle, and we do a smaller line across and going to the right. Great job. Now, we are going to practice one more time, but it's your turn first. Get your fingers ready. I want you to go ahead and practice writing the uppercase T. Okay, if your uppercase T looks like my uppercase T, then you did an awesome job. Now let's practice writing the lowercase t one more time. Again, 2 steps. Go ahead and begin now. Okay, if your lowercase t looks like my lowercase t, then you did an awesome job. Fantastic, everybody. That is the end of our lesson on learning how to write the uppercase and lowercase t.